So once you have your grid, you're going to go ahead and type in all your students' names on this sheet. And you're also going to want to first leave a blank original and duplicate it. So that way you can duplicate this sheet for all your classes. And then if anything ever happens, you have an original blank copy that you can use. So to protect the range, so this is where students can only mark on their row. And they're unable to mark other students. It is a lot of time to set up in order to do this, but once you do have it set up, it is good to use. So you're going to click, for example, student 1 here. I'm going to do the 2-finger click so this pops up and do protect range. I'm going to type the student's name. So if I was doing John, I would type John there, set permissions. I'm going to unclick both of those accounts, and I'm going to go ahead and add my personal account so that way I can just show you. Then I'm going to hit done. I can now see when I click here that it is shared with me and my personal account. So again, that would be the student's email. Then I'm going to do the same thing for row 5. So I'm going to go to protect range again. I would type student 2's name in here, set permissions. Remember to unclick, because if you don't unclick, it's going to be all the students that you've already typed in. You're going to type that new email in, and you're going to hit done, and it's going to save those changes. And you keep going for all of your students. You have to do every single row. If you do not, the students will be able to edit the other rows. So that is how you're going to protect the ranges. And also do not forget to make a copy of the original, so that way you have all 3 classes in different tabs. If you have any questions, let me know.